Walking Macau Streets, alley with a dragon, never know what you will see. If it's dragons, I got to see.
So this is like an alley of the dragon, Beco, the Draga. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to kind of give you some context to this space, but mostly we're going to be walking into this little alley, called Dragon Alley. So stay tuned. We'll show you what it looks like. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So there's more to this context in a moment. So we'll come by and we'll capture this little Patani area, give you some idea where we are. But our target street is called the Dragon Alley. Just to give you a little context of where we are before we go up, there's Patani Night Market, which is Night Watchman, which is that little white house just beyond that white house, I believe. And then we're in this Patani village. So this Patani village used to be a, I'll walk down and I'll tell you the story and then we'll do Dragon. So this Patani village was outside of the Macau city where the Portuguese were living. And this would have been a little Chinese settlement kind of at the base of Camoish Park, what is now Camoish Park. And so this was Patani village, and you'd have all these little alleyways. Actually, this one is pen lanes. Plumas is like pen, oh sorry, in Portuguese. Patani Library is right here. We're going to highlight that in a moment. So you can see that beautiful building, Patani Library. You can see a ship in the distance way over there. And we're going to head on back to our Dragon. That is a hotel. And you see the ship way in the back. See the traffic maybe. Okay, so we're going to focus on our Dragon. A little bit chaotic. So the context is we are in Patani. We're not too far from the ocean. That back there was reclaimed land that was built 1880s, 1890s, 1900s, around that time period. But traditionally this would have been Patani village. We're going to go into Dragon in a second. And so what you'll see is all these little labyrinth of kind of cool little alleys that kind of go up into the hills a little bit, going towards Camoish Park. And this particular one, it's called the Dragon, which is also interesting too because this is a year of the Dragon. This is 2024, and I guess it's a green dragon. So we're gonna walk up and kind of take a look. And then right over here you have this beautiful tree and nice home too, the nice little balcony. And there's a dragon that's gone now. There was a dragon that was in here. We used to have a dragon in this, and the thing here. So that's our entrance of the Dragon. You can see some of the older homes, right? So the traditional Chinese homes, and then the apartments are on the reclaimed land over there. Year of the Dragon. Oh, those are like I think some of those might be from another year. It's like the year the rabbit was before. Okay, we're gonna keep walking up the Dragon. You can see kind of a mix of the older homes and the newer apartments that were built. Dragon Alley 2024 Macau. So this will come right up to an apartment building, and then that'll be the end of the street, I think. So I think that's the end. I don't know if there's, I don't know, let me just kind of see real quick. And then there's actually other alleyways in here too. So I think that sidewalk goes up, and I think that the sidewalk, you can take it, the stairs up to Kamoish Park up there, I think. So all this goes right up to the Kamoish Park. So this will just be the apartment, but Kamoish Park is right above us. So this little area of Patani, traditional Patani village, was basically maybe more like this kind of stuff to the right, which was probably made out of it. Like you'll see this in different parts of the city, and I think it's like made out of shells from the ocean, oyster shells, which are found everywhere in this area. And then to the left would be more of the apartment buildings that they must have built, you know, when they started building everything up in Macau, everywhere, for more housing. So, so yeah, Dragon Alley, a little slice of Patani Village, which is a little slice of Macau, which is a little slice of the Greater Bay Area, which is a little slice of China. And let's go down a little further, which is a little slice of the world, our interconnected world. Beco de Draga. Okay. So we're gonna go back into Palmera Street, which is the main street of Palmera, of Patani. And Palmera Street would have been along the ocean a long time ago. Then they reclaimed the land. Good, that big truck is gone. So now you can get a better feel of it. And then Palmera would be this street that goes all the way down. So it's kind of a nice linear street, Palmera. And it would have followed the ocean, historically. So it goes down quite a ways, and it also goes down the other direction as well. And then there's a nice shrine that's all the way down as well. Escama. I did do another video, Escama, where I went all the way down to the ocean from here. And we're just gonna, I think we're just gonna walk down towards that shrine because it's not too far away. There's a beautiful temple nearby, but then you get an idea of Palmera Street, and you also get an idea of the Patani night watchman building. I'll show that to you in a moment as well. So yeah, this is called the Dragon Alley of Patani. We're walking down Palmera Street at the moment. Yeah, this older home right here, this would have been a good example of the historical Patani village. You can see Palmera. And you have all these little alleys everywhere. We'll try to showcase that in a moment as well. I did another video where I ate here before. He remembers me because I sat in his chair and I ate in his restaurant. So he remembers me, and I had my camera as well. So, okay. So we're almost at the end of where I want to be. I'll just highlight real quick, there's a lot of other little cool shrines everywhere as well, like this. That's a husband and wife right there. They got their staff It's a Tutigong and his wife Tudi. I need reinforcement to keep remembering them, the names. I wrote it down and I need to refer back to it. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm misidentifying them as well. Okay, so right here is going to be the Patani night watchman, and he's seen me come in here many times with my camera, so I might do it again for a moment, just to give you context of the Dragon, Patani. So we're going to do it one more time. Hello. Hello. There, this is the night watchman. So this would have been the Soul Patani area right here, and then he would have had a flashlight, like a bell, and then this would be the neighborhood right here, and there's a temple. We're going to see that in a moment as well. And I did do a whole video on this one before, where I highlighted all of this. And I would have called it the Night Watchman of Patani. And this would have been some of the whistles, the lights, the flashlight as well. Thank you. So we're gonna go back out again. I think he's seen me in there a few times, but and then right up here is the temple, the shrine. And then this borders along Kamoish Park. And with that note, we're going to end it. You can see, let me just walk in real briefly. There we go. So yeah, the Dragon would have been just on the other side. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la